watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Monroe and St. Clair, and the following counties in Missouri: Franklin and Jefferson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. Weather may not be imminent. Should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 202 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Monroe and St. Clair, and the following counties in Missouri: Franklin and Jefferson.